was a triumph for the Mouse Kingdom. Our continuing journeys to map the moon.
You will be our official map maker, Mouse Devon.
But it wasn't until later that I discovered Captain Mendoza's secret assignment to find and conquer the fabled mysterious cities of cheese.
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
Captain Mendoza, we're nearing the moon.
Prepare to land at Mouse Base 1.
It's a solar storm taking evasive action! Captain, we're off course and we're almost out of the air! What are we gonna do?
I'll get us down through force of will.
Finally able to breathe again!
Thanks to Captain Mendoza.
Wait, there's air on the moon? Just go with it.
We hereby name this land New Mouse Land.
It already has a name.
We call it the moon.
New Mouse Land.
Whatever.
Earthlings. And we shall call these natives moon mice.
Really?
They don't look much like mice.
They look more like rabbits. Huh, rabbits on the moon?
We seek the mysterious cities of cheese.
Cheese, cheese, gold. What? Cheese. I'm Zia. I will help you. I've never been to the cities of cheese, but I can take you there if you promise to give me a ride in your rocket afterwards.
It's a deal. Lead on, Moon Mouse. Get to making that map.
But Zia didn't know that we meant to conquer the moon and steal its treasure. She only knew that we needed her help. Over the journey, we became good friends.
So, are you as cheese crazy as the rest? They talk of nothing else. Cheese, cheese, cheese.
No, I only want one thing.
Really? What is that?
To make a map of the moon.
Oh, very nice. There it is! They say the walls are made of cheese.
Oh, moon mice of the mysterious city of cheese.
Cheese.
Hush! Won't you grant us entry into your city?
Who are they?
Earth mice.
What do they want?
Always cheese.
Go away. We care nothing for this cheese you speak of. Just leave us alone.
Try to keep a mouse out of your house. We are going through the walls.
Captain Mendoza, we got some prisoners. The cheese you seek runs in a river underneath the city, but you'll never get to it. The ground and walls are too hard.
Oh yeah? A little fire will melt this cheese.
No, you don't know what you're doing. You'll melt the whole city down. Cheese, cheese, cheese.
Come on, Zia. We gotta get out of here.
mission!
Come on, Esteban, we gotta get you back to your ship.
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
What did you say?
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
What did you say?
We can still get the cheese, don't you see? Help me, we can still complete the mission.
You're just like the others. You're just like Mendoza. I'm leaving.
What about your ride to Earth in the rocket?
It was never about the rocket.
Zia, come back! Zia! But Zia was gone. I wandered for a while in a fever, thinking about Zia, about the others, about the cheese. I don't know what happened to the cheese. I somehow found my way back to the rocket, and the next thing I knew, I was on my way back to Earth. I did make my map. Whether it leads anyone to the cheese, I cannot know. But as far as I'm concerned, there's only one thing of worth on the moon, and I left it there.